buddy who's going to help me do some welding on the underside of it. I will admit I have spent the last several days underneath this thing trying to get it ready with getting the OSFO stuff on there, and I am tired. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited and thankful for people willing to help. So let's get over there. Nothing else, today is an absolutely beautiful day. It's 73 degrees outside, it's sunny and breezy, and it's just a plain old good day for a drive. So even just to drive over here is putting a smile on my face. So sometimes it's the little things, and it's a good day to be alive. Well, that was awesome. I cannot thank Ethan and Hawk enough, Adelphia and the rest of the family, for helping me get this bus up and rolling. Super excited to show you guys some of the things that we worked on. But first, gotta drive home, and we'll head back home and then I'll show you what we did. All right, it's another beautiful day. Had the weekend to recoup a little bit after working on the bus frame, which I still need to get under there and finish that up. But because the back door is all completely finished as far as the welding side of it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the insulation specifically for that, and then grab out of the barn the piece that goes on the back of it so that that can be over, done with, and completed. Super excited that at least one thing will be over and done with. The only thing that I might change down the road would be the color of the back wall, because that's going to be the same as what it was before when I put this thing back on. But at least it'll be insulated, it'll be done, and then I can worry about the rest of it. Here we go. This door is going to be better insulated than our house. Actually, the whole bus might be better insulated than our house.
Our house isn't great. Insulated.
Okay, so now we need to get the door. Take that part off up there, put the door on, and she is done. So instead of using all the rusty screws that were in there before, I went and got a whole bunch of brand new one of these so that as we're putting it back together, it'll hold better. I don't have to try to go find all the screws that are lost. Alright, well that's pretty nifty. So that's done. I'm gonna go get some stuff to wash off the leather real quick. And then I might actually try to do some spray painting on the bumper. I got some stuff that was pretty cool that's supposed to help keep the bumper from rusting after I osmoed all of it. And it's supposed to make it nice and blackety black, which is the color bumpies are. So we're gonna spray that real quick, and it's getting kind of late. This might be the last project that we have today. Well, what do you think?
Wow, nice! It's a door. You see Daddy's door?
Wow! Wait. Wait a minute. Did you just put that back on?
Mm-hmm. Sure did.
Cute.
So cute.
Well, Jeleno, I don't know how much you had in your say in creating this, but it's pretty good stuff. I'm gonna let that rest for a little bit. It's still gonna get dirty again, but I'll keep using this stuff for that door for sure, because this really worked. Super impressed. Now onto the bumper. Well, so I just did the top of the bumper because I guess as the OSPO was drying on there and dripping down or whatever, I got underneath some of the other paint and it started peeling a little bit more, and probably some of the stuff that we did with the torch probably warmed it up a bit to where some more of the paint came off. So before I go through and paint the entire bumper, I just did the top part where all of it was pretty much already toned off. So it's only one layer thick right now, but I will say stuff looks pretty good. So it's just the top, the bottom of it I'll do tomorrow probably. So coming along nicely. So yeah, we'll keep working on it. I'll get the bumper done probably tomorrow. I just need to scrub it real quick with a wire brush, and yeah, I'll be finished. And then the backside's pretty close to being done. I mean, there's still more insulation to be able to put in. I got more walls that got to go in, got to redo some of the wiring stuff, but at least the back door is complete. Yes. So thanks so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the bus, my ideas for it, or what's happening next, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And of course, if you're thinking there's anything that I'm forgetting or missing on the bus, let me know that too. Appreciate it, guys. Looking forward to seeing you sometime soon, and we will chat with you next time. Thanks.